Hello everybody, today we have LT30-01 and K15 Pro. Recently, we released this latest LT30 series key, which is top selling, and to improve the better product experience, we developed and launched a program called Upgrade Key, and now I'm gonna show you how to use that. First, make sure you have a latest device version. You can click one-click update here. Usually it takes a couple minutes, but it's fine. And let's take out our key first. Yes. It's 4 buttons, and the default the default shape of ball number is 2000. Now it's complete and flashing the menu. Yep, complete. And then we'll go to the special functions. Key setting. You can find here LT30 Smart Key. And from this line, you can see the upgrade key first. Make sure every time upgrade key before generating it, because that's the most suitable way to programming. And connect the battery here. Place LT30 horizontally to on the card slot. Now it's uploading, and usually takes about 20 seconds. Yeah, upgrade successful. And next, we go to generating key. And if you click generating key, usually takes also included the upgrade progress, but we still recommend to upgrade key before generating it. And also requires internet connection, and place it the same way. Yeah, you can see two functions. You can see two different types car here, and if you need to generating AA, just choose the first one. If you need to generating the 4ABA, and check the key type of the boarding number. So for this one, the default key board number is 2000, and we just click go ahead and program it, and select the frequency. The function, you can also match the button that your wish. For example, the first one, the button 3 is panic, and the button 4 is trunk, and you can also reverse it. Yeah, generating successful. And if you have any problems with using keys, please enter the upgrade key menu to update it to the latest version. As I previously said, there will be the whole process of upgrade key and generating keys. Thank you for watching.